All right, little mail call. Look at here. Look right there. Yeah, got some goodies in the mail today. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I got. I got these from Small Biz Flavor. It is a small business that only sells small business seasonings, which is pretty cool. So like this seasoning right here, Whiskey Bent 100 proof. I've never tried this. And I'm going to give this a try. They sent me this to give a try, so that's going to be awesome. Whiskey Bent Barbecue 100 proof. And what's cool about this one is it is less than 1 carb. Fits right under Dolores's quota there. So we'll be using this in some future videos. Also, I got me some Grand Oaks garlic jalapeno rub. This is excellent as well. Right here, I've used this one before. Great flavor, and let me tell you, if you get you some of this, pop you some popcorn, put you some butter on it, get ready for a movie, sprinkle this on. Ask Dolores. She'll tell you. She loves it. As a matter of fact, we've been out of this, and I think we're out of popcorn, and she said, oops, we got to go get some popcorn. I know. You think of a brisket, you think of chicken, you think of popcorn. So garlic jalapeno rub by Grand Oaks. Also, I have another one of his. I didn't get that today, but he's also got this one, citrus lemon pepper. I thought I'd just show that one here as well. So those are the two I currently have from them. A real good seasonings. This here's a great rub, or just the all-in-all seasoning to have at your table. You know, put it on your mashed potatoes, put it on your greens. Just season your plate while you're eating as well. Another one I got in here is, look at this. Been wanting to try this and haven't. Grandpa's Pecan Rub. It is Tyron Matthews Barbecue. And I've been wanting to try this right here. And we'll be trying this as well in some future videos. So you see all these seasonings and things I'm pulling out here. Got one more to show you. I'll be trying soon, so stick around for those. Smoking Pastures. Check this out. The Peachy Stuff. Crafting smiles, one bite at a time. Can't wait to give this a try. This little nice glaze and stuff right here. What should I try this on? Has anybody tried this? Let me know. Now, I got all these from Small Biz Flavor. You can go and check them out, and I will put a link below to where you can locate them. And like I said, you're not going to, most likely not going to find any big box stores in here. It is for the small businesses. That's pretty much what they cater to. Of course, you can get some of these directly from the business, but for the most part, if you're going to get multiple ones, you can get it from one shop. The prices are pretty much the same, and get them shipped to your door. So wanted to go ahead and give them a shout out. Check them out. I'll be trying all these great seasonings. I can't wait to give that a try. And ones I haven't tried, and that one, I haven't tried either one of those. And I think the rest of these seasonings I've tried. Oh, yeah, there's one more thing. So I also, in the past, got this from Small Biz Flavor. I got a hot sauce left here. Haven't tried this yet. This is Maria's Island Affair. And this one right here, as you see there, I'm not sure. It says this has pineapple juice, vinegar, habanero pepper, mango, onion, garlic, lime juice, and some spices and salt. So we'll be giving that a test as well. So anyway, that's my little seasoning haul I wanted to go ahead and share today. See ya.